6-axis gyro technology. Fantastic aerial shooting. Sky 3 is sure to impress you with its high performance and stable flight. First of all, we need to open the battery cover at the bottom of the aircraft, connect the battery cable to the aircraft power cable, and insert the battery into the battery compartment. If the battery is installed with a wrong polarity, it is easy to burn the aircraft motherboard. Then the camera. And landing gear. Take one of them and align it with a corresponding slot at the bottom of the aircraft and install one by one. Now is the protective cord. First align it with the 3 fixing posts of the motor base and attach. Then fix them with the screws. If the blade is damaged or deformed, you can remove it and install the new one based on letters on the motor cover. For aircraft battery charging, connect the battery cable to the USB charging port and plug it into the computer for charging. When green indicator is always bright, charging is finished. Finally is to put the batteries into the remote controller. Remove the battery cover, insert the batteries with correct polarity, and close the cover. For Sky 3, the default mode is the left hand as throttle mode. If you would like to change it to right hand mode, press the switch button. Here's left hand throttle gyroscope calibration. Right hand throttle gyroscope calibration. Left hand throttle geometric calibration. And right hand throttle geomagnetic calibration. Now put the aircraft on a flat surface, turn on the aircraft, then the remote control. For gyro calibration, pull this left stick to the upper left corner and the right stick to the lower right corner at the same time. After 1 second, the aircraft indicator light flashes rapidly. If you would like to do geomagnetic calibration, pull the left stick to the lower left corner and the right stick to the upper right corner at the same time. After 1 second, indicator light flashes quickly, then hold the aircraft and keep it level with the ground. Try to be at a constant speed and spin 3 times clockwise. And put the nose of the aircraft down and another 3 times clockwise spinning at a constant speed. The indicator light of the aircraft will change from quick flash to slow flash, and the geomagnetic calibration is completed. Now the aircraft is searching for GPS signals. If there are more than 8 GPS signals, the indicator light will change from slow flash to solid bright. It means GPS signal searching is successful and the aircraft can be unlocked. After this, you can use the controller and try 1-key takeoff and land button. Ascend. Descend. Forward. Backward. Left sideward fly. Right sideward fly. Turn left. Turn right. Keep the direction of aircraft nose same as with the direction of the remote control and turn on the headless mode. You can also change the speed. There are 3 levels of speed. Sky 3 has come with the HD camera pack. Also, this 90 degrees adjustable servo. For flight control software installation, you can take your mobile phone and scan QR code on the menu and install. Click Settings and connect aircraft Wi-Fi hotspot. and then insert the phone holder into the corresponding slot of the remote control, and then fix the phone to the holder. Sky 3 has built-in precision GPS fixed-point positioning system, which allow you to enjoy a fully control of fixed-point positioning over flight. Enter the track and waypoint flight mode. You can draw the flight path or waypoint on the screen on your mobile phone. Click the sending icon. Sky 3 will fly from initial point to the first point of the track and keep flying along the trajectory. When in the surround flight mode, click the surround center point on the map and set the surround height and radius. Then click the send icon. It will fly from the initial point to the center point and do 360 surround fly around the center point based on the setting distance and height. While in following mode, Sky 3 will follow the mobile phone and move at a fixed distance from a current distance for automatic follow-up flight. Turn on one key return. You can easily recall the aircraft regardless of distance of the aircraft. When the aircraft is in a low state or the remote control is powered off, it will start to return automatically too. Sky 3 helps you discover the beauty in life.